guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a Dollar Tree haul for you. I went into Dollar Tree the other day looking for items for Easter, and they didn't really have a lot out for Easter. What they did have that I liked, I picked up, but I found some things for spring that were gorgeous, and I just had to share with you all because, as we all know, if you don't get it when it comes out, it's gone, and I don't want anybody to miss this stuff. So this is no particular order, but let's start the haul. I'm really excited. Okay, I got one of these little glass containers that just have that little front on them, and the top just kind of comes off and then goes back down on. Not sure what I'm going to do with this, but it's good to have things like that. And then their Easter, I found this Deco Mesh, and I thought it was gorgeous. I love all those bright colors. So I actually got 6 rolls of this because I'm planning on doing something with that naturally. And then while I was in there, I saw these eggs, and they're really cute. I love the pastel colors, so I got that one. And then these look a little bit spotted, but it's with glitter, and I love all the different colors. The orange, the yellow, the light green, the light blue, the pink, and a light purple. Okay, and then I saw these little ducks that you can paint, and I got 1 duck, and then I got 2 bunnies. I've done things with the bunnies in the past, so I always like to try to get these when I see them. And then I saw this for spring, and I thought it was so bright and happy. So I got this to put on my drink station. And then I picked these up right here, these little Chenille Ties, and they have all the different colors for Easter or spring. And then I picked up a rope. I thought that was really cute. And then I was in there looking for something for the Super Bowl and couldn't find anything. So this time when I found it, I was like, I'm going to be ready. So I picked up this big platter in the shape of a football. And then 2 smaller ones. I thought that would be really cute if I wanted to do something for football again. And then this is just some twist ties that you can just cut. And I thought I might be able to do something with that. And then I saw these stickers for Happy Birthday. My mom's birthday is February the 19th. So I thought that I put something really cute in my planner about her birthday on that day. So I thought that would be really cute. And then I got some of this foam, a long block of foam. And then I got a smaller block of foam. And then I found this self-inking roller stamp. And I thought it was so pretty with the little swirly designs. And I thought that might be really nice in my planner. And then I saw this. It's so cute. With his little, it's a little bunny, and he has his flower and his bow tie, and he's just ready for spring and Easter. I thought that's really cute. And it's like a metal, like a tin kind of thing, but I think he's adorable. And then I couldn't leave his partner behind, the little chick. I had to get it. I love that flower, and then his little bow tie is all pink. I just thought he was adorable. So I got that. I hadn't seen that before. And then I saw these. And it just says flowers and garden. This is a tin. You can see by my hand it's not really big, but it's nice. Okay. I got that one. And then I got this one. It would be great for farmhouse decor. Okay, and then I got the longer one that says flowers and garden. And I'll show you with my hand. But it is considerably longer than the others. So that pretty much brings to the conclusion my haul. Oh, no, it doesn't. Oh, my. I bought these flowers. I thought they were so beautiful. They're just lilacs, and this is in like a blue, a deep purpley, like a periwinkle, really. I got 1 of those, and then I got 2 of these, and I think they're gorgeous. They were just putting their spring floral out when I was in there, and I grabbed them. I got 2 of these, and then I got 4 of these, and I just think these are gorgeous. Knock that one off, have to fix it. They are so beautiful, and they look so real. I love pink and purple, so I really love this purple. So that definitely brings my haul to a conclusion. But if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.